Hello everyone. In my previous videos, I have explained you on how to read subjects of your emails and how to save email messages to a specified folder in your local computer. And in this video, you are going to learn how to save attachments of your mails to a specified folder in your system or in your local computer. So you can see here in my inbox, I have some mails with some attachments with the different file types such as .png, .pdf, .xls. So I'm going to save these attachments to my specified folder. So here my folder name is my mails, and I'm going to search for a sequence. Let me drag this to your canvas and search for get IMAP mail messages activity. Okay, this activity will retrieve an IMAP email message from a specified server that we are going to provide in the properties. So in the properties panel, we need to configure the server name, port number, and email and password. So you can get this server name and port number from Google. You can just type as IMAP settings for Gmail. So you can get this server name. Let me copy this server name and the port number is 993. So within double quotations, paste the server name and port number is 993. And within double quotations, write your email ID and within double quotations, provide your password of your Gmail account. And then as per your need, you can filter the top 5 or top 10 emails. And for now, I'm going to filter top 8 emails. And at the output, let me create an output variable using shortcut Control K, and I will name this variable as mail messages. And click on this plus icon, touch for each activity. Drag this to your canvas and provide the variable name that we have created just now, which is mail messages. Let me rename this variable name item as email. Click on this for each activity and make sure to choose this option system.net.mail.mail messages as a type argument. So if you can't find this option here, you can simply click on this browse for types and type system.net.mail. So you will click on this drop down. So from this, search for mail message. So you'll get this option. Click on this and then click on OK. You will get this system.net.mail.mail messages as your type argument. Then click on this plus and search for save attachments activity. Okay, so this activity will save the mail message attachments to the specified folder. If the folder does not exist, it is created. If no folder is specified, the downloads are saved in the project folder. So now I need to provide the path of the folder where I want to save the attachments. So let me give the path as let me copy this path and within double quotations I'll paste this, and after this I want to display a message like let me use message box activity, and within double quotations I want to display like your attachments are saved. Okay, so our folder is empty. Go to UiPath and let's run this board. Your attachments are saved. Okay, let's check in the folder. Here we got 6 attachments. 4 is images and 1 is XLS and 1 is .pdf. And let me delete all these attachments. And if you want to get only particular file like .pdf or .png file, you need to provide the type of file type within double quotations in the filter option in Save Attachments activity. So now I am going to get only .pdf file. Then click on OK. I have deleted all the previous files. Then I'm going to run this bot again. Your attachments are saved. Click on OK. Let's check in the folder. So you got only the file with the .pdf file type. So if you like this video, please do subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.